Welcome to the Distributor How-To series, Sourcing Machine Dashboard. Go to the top right hand corner and click on Dashboard. Go to Profile. This contains the information that suppliers can see about you. You can see how many promo points you've earned, you can add your trade association memberships, and you can increase or decrease your markup settings for the pricing. Next, click on Ideas Sent. This is a record of all the idea sheets that you've sent to your customers. We then have Quotes Sent, which is a record of all the quotes that you've sent to your customers. Sourcing Machine also keeps records of all the quotes that you've requested from your suppliers too. And also all the samples that you've requested, so that you can keep an eye on when they've been delivered or not. Sourcing Machine also keeps a record of the Zoom meetings for you. And also all the orders that you've placed with suppliers. In the dashboard, you will also see the Create Your Own Company Website button. This allows you to create a website for your own business containing all the products that are on Sourcing Machine. Simply add your URL or company name into the white box and click Save. Very soon you'll even be able to search through Sourcing Machines in other countries using our global search tool. Thank you for watching.